Yes. So we'll go with the next question. The question was, which of the following plants have edible aril? So they are talking about the edible aril part. So the options given were lychee, rambutan, cashew, nutmeg. So for this, option will be lychee. So in the lychee or lychee chinensis, we will be having a edible fleshy part. So the option will be A. And the next question, which of the following statements regarding the viruses are correct? So the options were usually proteinaceous infectious, they are potentially infectious, and we know the properties of viruses. So these viruses they are potentially infectious, they are having the capability to cause the infection. And the reproduction by genetic material only, yes, in the viruses the reproduction is by the genetic material, and envelope made of glycoproteins, that is also correct, presence of ribosomes. So they gave the options as presence of ribosomes, but the viruses does not contain any ribosomes. So ribosomes are the cell organelles which can be seen in the prokaryotes, eukaryotes, except viruses. So the option will be D. And the next question, which of the following major divisions of algae is characterized by the two flagella? So here we know all the classification of algae. They are asking which algae contains the two flagella. So majorly under the algae we have Chlorophyceae, Phaeophyceae, Rhodophyceae. So all will be containing, a few of the algae contain flagella, and the flagella are of two, mainly in the Chlorophyceae. So Chlorophyceae or the green algae will be containing the two flagella. And the next question, which of the following statements are true? And the first statement, all the immunoglobulins are glycoproteins, that is true. All the immunoglobulins are made up of glycoproteins. And eosinophils are not polymorphonuclear phagocytes, so that is wrong. Cilia in the windpipe or mechanical barriers, that statement is also wrong. Human beta cells bear IgM and IgD immunoglobulins on their surface, so that is also wrong. So the correct option is all the immunoglobulins are made up of glycoproteins. So this will be the correct option for it. So now we will be completing all the biology related questions. Now we can go with the next one, any other subject. So I request sir you to continue this session.
Hello everyone. Okay. So hello everyone, myself Pratyush Gautam. Today we are going to discuss chemistry part of NSEJS. So our first question is, it is basic chemistry from, we can say it is a basic part of chemistry. What is given here? See, sample of 1 liter milk is given and its weight is also given. And in that milk which contains 4% milk fat by volume and its density is given. So density we can see here, it is given in kg per meter cube. So writing all the information, first we have to write 1 liter of milk is given and its weight is also given in 1.032 kg. These things are given. So from this part 4% fat is there. From this we can calculate it is 40 ml. Okay, these are the information given, and the density is also given. Density of the density is 865 kg per meter cube, and they are asking density of fat free milk in kg. This is the question. Okay, this is the question. Okay, so from here we have to calculate the density of fat free. First what we will do, first we have to calculate the mass of the fat. How we will do that? Volume is there 40 ml and density is there 865. So we have to calculate, we all know density is mass upon volume. So mass will be density into volume. Density is 865 kg per meter cube, and in volume we can convert it into 10 to the power 3 meter cube. So from here we will get in kg 0.0346. This is the mass of the fat, and we have to calculate the volume also, so that we can calculate the density. So the volume of the fat is, we already know the volume of the fat is 1 liter, or we can say 1000 ml. Okay, and it is 40 ml here is given. So 1000 minus 40, it is equal to 960 ml of fat is there. Volume we have calculated, mass we have to calculate it, we have to calculate its density now. Now the weight of fat free milk, it will be equal to, see, fat free milk, this is the mass of the fat milk, hai na? So I am writing here weight of fat free milk will be 1.032 minus this part. This is the mass of the fat I have written here, mass of the fat. This is the density of the fat, hai na? So from here we have to minus. See, it is given in kg, it is also given in kg. Just we have to minus is 1.032 minus 0.0346 in kg. It will be it will be equal to 0.9 something. Okay, so we can write here. So 1.032 minus 0.0, it is almost equal to 0.99. It is almost equal to 0.9974. 0.9974 we will write. 0.9974 kg. It is the weight of fat free. So what is asked? Density of fat free. Density is equal to, we have calculated the volume, we have calculated the mass, so density equal to mass upon volume. If we calculate that, then we can calculate the density of fat free milk or skimmed milk in kg per. We have to see its unit also. It is written here kg per meter cube. So density, for density mass is given 0.9974, and we have calculated na for 9974 we can write, and we can write here volume also into 1000. Just I am writing here, please see. So density will be equal to, we can calculate from here. Okay. Moving to next question. Here the option for the correct option is 103. 103. I think it is the 38. C option is correct. Okay. Second question. Second question. What is there? A researcher scholar requires 50 ml aqueous NaNO3 solution containing 70 mg of Na plus per milliliter. It is written here, yes, Na plus per milliliter. Na plus per ml. Okay. See. So per milliliter means 1 ml of solution, we can say 1 ml of solution contains 70 mg of Na plus. 70 mg of Na plus is there. So researcher requires how many ml of aqueous solution? 50. So we can say or write 50 ml of solution will be equal to 3500 mg of Na plus, and 3500 mg of Na plus is equal to 3.5 gram of Na plus here. So from here 3.5 gram of Na plus, we can calculate its mole. So for mole of Na plus, we all know weight is 3.5 gram and the molar mass of Na plus is 23. This is the mole of Na plus. And if we see here the formula of NaNO3, if we dissociate NaNO3, it will give Na plus plus NO3 minus. Means 1 mole of NaNO3 gives 1 mole of Na plus. Okay. So we can write here mole of NaNO3. What they are asking? They are asking the amount of NaNO3 required. So amount means we have to calculate the weight. So weight of NaNO3 will be equal to mole of NaNO3 is 3.5 upon 23 upon molecular mass. If we have to calculate the amount or the weight of NaO3 and the mole are equal, because 1 mole of NaNO3 gives 1 mole of Na plus. So weight of NaNO3 will be, I am writing 3.5 upon 23, and the molar mass of NaNO3 is 85. Yes, 85. From here we can calculate the weight of NaNO3 required. I think it will be equal to option D. 12.94 is the correct answer. Okay. So moving to the next question. See, this question is asked previously in JEE examination also. It is very easy question. Let us solve this one. What they are asking? How many moles of so-called electron gas weighs 1 kg? No extra information is given here. So we need to know the weight of one electron. So we all know weight of 1 electron is equal to 9.11 10 to the power minus 31 kg. Okay. So in 1 kg, if 1 electron has a mass of this much, so in 1 kg of electron, what will be the number of electron? We can write 1 kg of electron is equal to 1.911 into 10 to the power minus 31 electrons. These are the number of electrons in 1 kg of electron. This, please See here, these are the number of electrons. In 1 kg of electron, this much electrons is there. And if we write it properly, it will be equal to 10 to the power 31 upon 9.11 electron are the number of electrons. So what they are asking? They are asking the how many moles of electron. We know to calculate the number of moles of electron. If any number of particles is there, we have to simply divide it by Avogadro number. So let us do that. Number of mole is equal to number of particles upon Avogadro number. And what are the number of particles? This much is the number of electron. So if we put here 10 to the power 31 upon 9.11 into, what is the value of Na? 6.022 into 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. So number of mole will equal to, I think, 10 to the power 31, 10 to the power minus 23, 9.11 into 6.02. If we calculate here from 31, if minus 23 is subtracted, it becomes 10 to the power 8. 10 to the power 8 is not here. But we can see here in option B, 10 to the power 8, they have written 100 into 10 to the power 6, which is equivalent to 10 to the power 8. And in the denominator, we can see 9.11 into 6.02. Here we can see 6.022 into 9.11 is also there. So from my side, option B is the correct answer. This has come in JEE examination also. Okay. So let us move to another question. See, we have all gone through the periodic table. We have prepared, whenever we are preparing for any Olympiad, we are going through mole concept, we are going through periodic table, we are going through chemical bonding topics. So this question is typically all the periodic properties are listed. See here, properties are given, okay? And they have asked which is the correct option. Wait. See, we all know as we move from left to right in a period, the effective nuclear charge increases, and due to that, the size of atom or ion decreases. So, they have asked here smallest ionic size. And we can see in second period we have only lithium and beryllium, and down the group the size or radius increases, so they are below. Sodium ion, potassium ion and magnesium ion are below beryllium and lithium. Lithium is in first group and Be2 plus in second group. So we have to focus on 1 and D option. A and D option we have to focus on. Okay? So and in group 1 we already said, group 1 we have lithium, and in group 2 we have beryllium. And in moving from left to right, I have said effective nuclear charge increases, so atomic size decreases. So atomic size of beryllium ion will be less. So they have asked the smallest ionic radius. The smallest atomic radius will be of beryllium. Option D is the correct in first part. So if we see here, A, B, C, D option is given. So first D, after then A, again D and D is given. So we can eliminate the second option, B we can eliminate, because A is not the, lithium is not the correct option. D is the correct one. So for now, we have to check A, C and D. Second property, they have asked highest electronegativity. Highest electronegativity, we all know, it is very simple. We all know from our childhood, FONCl. Fluorine is not there, and after fluorine we have oxygen atom. So what is there? Chlorine, sulfur, oxygen. See here. After D, C is there. After D, C is there. Now from now we can eliminate A option also, because after D, D is given. They are telling E. They are telling E is the correct. Now oxygen is for these elements, oxygen is highest electronegative element. For A and B we can eliminate. So C and D is correct, because after D, C is there, and in D option C is also there. Okay. Third, we can see the third property, highest electron affinity. Highest electron affinity is of between, we can say, oxygen and chlorine, and we know highest electron affinity elements in periodic table is of chlorine. So for me DCB is the correct, and again D option is eliminated. So for my side option C is correct. And highest magnetic moment, chromium. What is magnetic moment? Magnetic moment is under root n into n plus 2 Bohr magnetron. It is the unit of magnetic moment. What is n here? N is the number of unpaired electron. Okay. We all know copper is 29, F is 26, 28, nickel is 28, scandium is 21, 24 is chromium. So from here we can say Cr plus is there, and we all know for chromium and copper, exceptional case electronic configuration, we write exceptional configuration 4s1 3d5. I am writing here for chromium, argon 4s1 3d5, and Cr plus is there, so 4s will be 0, and there are n equal to 5, which is highest. So A option is correct, but see here, it is given E and here it is given A. So in option C and D they are conflicting because of chlorine and oxygen. Chlorine is highest electron affinity. So from my side I will go through C option. Okay. Moving to next question. It is very basic question. Just we have to convert the temperature in degree Celsius is there, Fahrenheit, and if Fahrenheit is there, we have to convert into degree Celsius. What is the question? First read it. On Fahrenheit scale of temperature, the freezing point of water is marked as 32, है ना? 32 Fahrenheit, and the boiling point of water is marked as 212 Fahrenheit. While the freezing point of boiling water in the Celsius is, we all know, 0 degree Celsius and 100 degree Celsius. 100 degree Celsius is the boiling point and freezing point is 0 degree Celsius. Okay. During the routine checkup of some patient, doctor measured the temperature of the patient as see here. 102.6 degree Fahrenheit. Just we have to convert it into Celsius scale. It is we can do it by the using formula. We can use the formula to convert the Fahrenheit into Celsius scale. We all know the formula, F equal to 9/5. Fahrenheit we have to convert into degree Celsius. It is there na? Fahrenheit we have to convert into F by 9 degree Celsius plus 32. Okay. So what is the value of Fahrenheit? 102.6 minus 32. It is equal to 5/9 into degree Celsius. 32. It is 32. Just we have to subtract 102. It will be equal to 72.6 into 9/5. It will be equal to degree Celsius. Okay. Just we can calculate that simple question. So it will be equal to 39, I think. We can do that. Okay. Very simple question. Okay. Can we move to other questions? See, it is a question from, we can say, from ionic part of 11th class. Is pH of neutral water at 25 degrees Celsius is 7. Okay, pH is 7. And what they are asking, if they are saying, if we are increasing the temperature, if we are increasing means heating, they are saying heating to 25 degrees Celsius, they have pH equal to 7 and they are heating. The pH value will decrease or increase. They are asking. So they have increased the temperature from 25 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. They are increasing the temperature. And we know, we have seen in 7th class question also, if temperature increases, pH value decreases. I have written temperature in why? Because earlier the temperature is 25 degrees Celsius, we can see here. And from 25 degrees Celsius, they have increased the temperature to 70 degrees Celsius. And we all know pH decreases. First point is clear. So where is that point? It will not remain constant. It won't increase. So for now, A and D is correct. pH is decreasing. And we can say also, the pH will be neutral. No, it is won't become acidic. A option is also not correct. See here, it is written it decreases, but its nature remains neutral. Here it is correct. It is written here, it is remains neutral. So from my side, for question number 9, D is the correct option. Okay. So can we move to next question? Let us move. So this is the question from, we can say, isomerism. More is the polarity, or we can say more is the dipole moment. Simple. More is the dipole moment. If dipole moment is more, then we have more stability, then we have more boiling point. We all know this fact. So A and B, the boiling point, expected normal boiling point of two compounds are T and TB. For this is the A and this one is B, and for the first one the boiling point is TA, and for second one TB is the boiling point. So we can correlate from dipole moment also. Dipole moment. So B is the correct option. See here, TB is more. It is written here, TB is greater than TA. Okay, very simple question. Can we move to now next question? See, simple questions just from NCERT. They have picked this line. Which of the following strongest material in terms of tensile strength? In terms of tensile strength, it is written, for it is a fact. So tungsten, we can say tungsten is having highest tensile strength, tungsten. The correct option is B. Okay. Can we move to next question for 12th number? Option B is correct. Group 13 elements represents the pair of the most stable oxidation state of the pair. Okay. See, group 13 elements we have boron family, and moving down the group, we all know, moving down the group, less oxidation number is more stable due to inert pair effect, because the two electrons in s orbital don't participate in bonding. We know that due to inert pair effect, two electrons of s orbital don't participate in bonding. So due to in group 13, we also know that group 13 we have +1 and +3. Both of these oxidation states are exhibited by group 13 elements. And moving down the group, less oxidation state is more stable, and those elements which are above, for them more oxidation number will be stable. So group 13 elements we have boron, and Tl. These are the group 13 elements we all know. And for boron, I think +3 is the most, and due to inert pair effect, +1, less oxidation number is +1, which is less than +3. And we can check in option C. Yes, here we can see here B +3 and Tl +3 is there. I have said +1 and +3, and as we as we go down the group, due to inert pair effect, less oxidation number is more stable due to inability of two electrons in s orbital, for they don't participate in bonding. So for my side, question number 13, C option is correct. Okay, it is basic question. If you know inert pair effect, we can easily answer these questions. Okay, can we move to next question? Here, it is also written as a fact in NCERT, which compound is used in airbag. Which compound is used in airbag? So we all know it is written sodium azide. And now problem arises, what is the formula of azide? And this is the two compounds where nitrogen is there, azide. So option is A. Sodium azide is NaN3. They are used in airbags. Okay. So from my side, for question number 14, option A is correct. Okay. Moving to next question. So we have already solved several questions. So let us see this question also. Among the following, select the option in which all the oxide express acidic nature. Let us see. We all know acidic nature is exhibited only by nonmetals. So we have to check, and we all know beryllium is there. See here, it is here to confuse, because chlorine is there, phosphorus is there, gallium is there. Beryllium is forming not acidic, it is forming amphoteric. And S and tin also is forming amphoteric. So from my side, B and D won't be the correct option. And in indium, it is forming basic oxides, not acidic. So we can clearly discard A, B and D. So C option is the correct. C option, all the elements will form acidic nature. I hope all these questions we have tried our level best to give the solutions for NSEJS 2024. I hope this question will definitely help you in collecting what you have done in your examination. It will be helpful for you. Okay, thank you from my side.